guys, I am in my room right now and going to talk a little bit about the assignment for today. Pretty easy. We've done this before. It's just one-step equations when you're doing either multiplication or division. I'll do a few examples. You have to show your work. If you're one of the 6 or 7 people who has not finished your IXLs, the Z's, you need to get on it. They're written down. They are on yesterday's video too at the back of it if you're not sure which ones to do. You need to get on those. If you have 3 times A equals 12, you divide each side by 3, and then this becomes 1. 1A is the same as A, and then 12 divided by 3 is 4. That's how you show your work, and that's what you have to do. If you get rid of the 6 times C, you divide by 6. Do the same thing on the other side. We get C equals 2. You have to show your work. This is the step where you show your work. On these, you could also have them where they're on the other way. Don't want anything to fall. You could have it as, if it's just written the other way, same thing. Divide that side by 2, that side by 2. That's showing your work. It equals 9. You don't show your work, you're doing it again. All right, and that just cancels it out. So it doesn't matter which way it shows. For division, it would be like A over 3, sorry, that's an A. A over 3 equals 5. I need to get rid of that A divided by 3. I'm gonna multiply this side by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so it gets A by itself. If I multiply this side by 3, I have to multiply this side by 3. A equals 15. You check it again. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So if you have x over 5 equals 2, I need to get rid of this 5. And by multiplying it by 5, multiply this side by 5, x is by itself, it equals 10. Again, it might be 3 on this side, 10x equals 3. Can you do this? Yes. You would divide by 10, and then x equals 3/10, or you can have x equals 0.3. So you can actually have fractions. If you leave it as a fraction, perfectly fine. Change it to a decimal, that's fine. If it's an improper fraction greater than 1, change it to a mixed number. That makes it a little bit easier. They do throw a couple of them at you where it's like negative 6x equals 5. How do you get rid of a negative 6x? Divided by negative 6. Divide this side by negative 6. So then I get x equals negative 5/6, because a positive divided by negative, it stays negative. And it's a fraction, negative 5/6. On these ones, a over negative 3 equals 10. So if a over negative 3 equals 10, how to get rid of this negative 3? I multiply it by negative 3. I still need, to get rid of it, I have to do the exact same thing. That gets the a by itself. Then I have to multiply this side by negative 3, and I get negative 30. And they do throw a couple of them like that at you. Not the whole room, but my teaching station kind of up front with the whiteboard, projection screen, all the tables, and some desks all set out. So we can be properly distanced and ready to learn. See some of you tomorrow. See all of you tomorrow, whether it's in person or on Zoom. Make sure you come into class at 12:30. Get on your assignments.